They say lightning never strikes twice. What about 4 times?
What about 4 times in a second? In a millisecond?
In a millisecond. Holy
1001.
cow.
That was probably a whole second though.
And that was, you think that was for sure the casino?
It was right over there. When I was watching fireworks, the fireworks were lighting up right in that area.
Just
That was
got
it.
one.
Shotgun. That one's gonna be another. You gonna sit on the stairs?
I was just thinking that.
I thought about it too. You go first.
The aluminum though.
Huh?
Aluminum. Okay, well, aluminum. Don't sit on the aluminum.
Okay.
There's nothing to worry about. There's a boat right there.
Getting muggy, huh? Oh, that right in the same place almost.
No, was it really? I was
Yes.
I was looking at my.
I think I got it on camera.
I don't know if I did. I was kind of not.
What if it's hitting the towers on the casino or something?
Ah, they have maybe those
High-rise that. there's
poles.
high-rise.
Maybe, yeah,
Sure, they
maybe
got
so.
some
They have those
Wow.
poles that are attracting it. Maybe, huh?
I don't. Oh, there's. You see that one? Did you get that one? Did you get it?
I
on
was,
thing?
yeah, I was half blinking, but
Recon's getting
there's
it.
noise. Okay, that's right over our head.
Yeah, that must be over. Okay, must be a horizontal lighting on. You should be in the car heading down that way. Huh?
You think we should go?
Want to?
Well,
Yeah. No kidding.
Getting mud puddles. Look at that. We got mud puddles.
Wow.
just saw that one over there.
Oh, it made your thing go
There-
up? Is that what
That's
that was?
done a couple.
I saw that one really good.
Yeah.
Was it striking downward?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
really? Really?
Well, listen,
Not very
here it
far.
comes. Listen.
Oh, it's side by side. Yeah, boom, boom. Huh.
Okay, that was not.
Oh
Did you
man!
get that, Gene?
I don't know if I got that or not.
You had to have. Your phone's right there. Did you see it?
I saw it, but I wasn't looking at my phone.
That's so cool.
Sounds so cool. The sound of it
I
is.
know. It's cracking like that. Huh? Whipping. Kabow.
Is that what it sounds like when you're right in the middle of a war?
I don't know.
Ooh, that was just right in front of it. We're having the light show right here.
Huh.
I know it.
Right on the other side of that tree.
That was the old, yeah. Huh. And this first was Rincon, now it's this hill, so it might be this next. Maybe it's going away. That's over now.
Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it around and show us.
Oh,
Did you light it up? Yeah, but your face lit up.
Oh, really?
It's funny that your thing keeps getting set off. It's by raindrops. Huh?
Noise. Oh, yeah, no, it's noise and sound and vibration, I guess.
You can feel it in the floor.
I know it.
it could be getting wet too. Like you said.
Oh, maybe.
No dog. He wouldn't even have heard the thunder with the dogs.
I know, exactly. My dogs go nuts.
Huh.
Unreal. Another one. Maybe somebody's harnessing that energy over there.
Building. No, it's building.
Oh, I saw the top of the hill
Wow.
glow. Did you for a second?
Really?
Yes, I think.
Oh, hello, bird. He wants to come in.
He can. That's a
Listen
weird.
to that. It's like
I
it's
know. I missed that one. Was that a good strike?
Two, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, both side by side.
just unreal. Okay, so who's going in the pool this afternoon? It's a good thing we're heading to Elizabeth's where she's got lots of indoor space to hang out. Her house is big.
Oh, really?
Yeah, her house is
You
really
ever
big.
been up there?
Oh, no.
Oh, that was another.
you
really?
see-
Uh-huh.
One of them was red.
Oh
Really?
my God!
Shoe, yeah.
Whoa.
Weird.
The second stripe was red.
All right. You should do it on your phone. 'Cause your phone's better quality.
On trade spots.
I'll stop.
Here, sit on the telephone.